Hello, and welcome to the listening room of The Sound of Success. We are sure that the following collection will convince you that the sound of success is a powerful and effective way to display the advantages of your product or service to those in your target markets. The Sound of Success is a Florida-based company with a well-established track record. Whether local or national, you can be sure we deliver a quality product that leaves a memorable impression.
Where the food is downright good at the best in the neighborhood, so look us up and get down and horse feathers today. Horse feathers, restaurant. Horse feathers, restaurant. Horse feathers, restaurant.
If you're looking for the best, that'll be Chaseman's Western Wear and Saddlery. 'Cause we've got boots, scooting, two-step, and cowboy clothes, belts, buckles, boots, and hats, rodeos, work, play, casual, elaborate, guaranteed to make you look great.
You don't have to own it, ASAP wants to loan it to you. For any tool you need, whatever job you do, ASAP wants to loan it to you. If you need a loader, a blower, generator, chainsaw, mower, our inventory is high, but our prices are low. So if you don't want to own it, ASAP wants to loan it to you. So if you don't want to own it, ASAP wants to loan it to you. Wants to loan it to you.
Where can you cast your net, Chet? Right over the side, Clyde, or reeling a deal on a fine food meal, Lucille. At the Boathouse.
Try our new menu at the Boathouse. Great prices, great food, and fun times. Experience 31 flavors of margarita.
Boathouse, where the greatest catch of the day is to find it fun to be the one that didn't get away. The Boathouse.
Located across from the Van Wezel at the Hyatt Sarasota.
Breaker 1-9, this here's Blue Line. We've got a copy on you. The front door's open wide, so come on inside, and you won't be sorry if you do. We got quality stock at a working man's price. We got office supplies galore. We've got a full inventory, so you can't be negatory. So come on down to our store. Yeah, come on down, 10-4. This here's Blue Line Office Supply, located at 301 Central Avenue, Sarasota, Florida. Signing out. If you need office supplies of any kind, come on down to Blue Line and get yourself a copy.
Put a little tra-la-la-la-la into your day. Come on and do it the trolley station way. The trolley station serves you food and fun, homemade goodness for everyone. Make your final destination the trolley station today. Visit any one of the 3 trolley stations.
Does the term termite mean anything to you? We'd like to list it in our reference books as a pest that we once knew. We consider them endangered, but that simply will not do. So call 366-9090 if by chance you run into a large-toothed winged creature, because we want to end its role of eating people's houses. By Fahey, Pest Patrol. If you even suspect termites, call Fahey at 366-9090. And thank you so much for listening.
Come up to the city, the prices and selection never trouble you. Come up to the city, step into a Dublin or VW at Bradenton, Datsun, and Volkswagen City.
Thank you for listening to Sounds of Success. Our sales representative will now give you further information about our award-winning services and answer any questions that you may have. Once again, thank you for listening, and we wish you the best in your ad campaign.